How to delete all contacts from phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all contacts from your iPhone in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to clean up your phone, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. The first method is to manually delete contacts one by one. This works well if you don't have too many contacts you need to delete. Simply open the Contacts app, or you can also access it through the phone app and then tap on Contacts at the bottom. Find the contact you want to delete. It could be anyone. And once you've done that, simply scroll down and simply tap on Edit and find an option that says Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact. Now let's move on to a quicker way to delete all your contacts using iCloud. This method is perfect if you want to remove all your contacts at once. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Simply tap on iCloud and find the toggle for contacts. You can simply find it over here, save to iCloud, and here contacts. Simply toggle this option off like this. By doing this, your iPhone will remove all contacts that are synced with iCloud. If you also have contacts synced with other accounts like Gmail or Outlook, make sure to go there and simply toggle that option off as well. And that's it. Now you know how to delete all your contacts from your iPhone using different methods.